Yeah. We got a hit, y'all. Woo! Aha. Come on, kids, you know life's a cycle. Gather round and let's all recycle. Keep it rolling like wheels on a bicycle. What I'm saying is environmental. Going around the world, call it continental. Don't mean to bother, but when you proceed, hey, turn off that water. After this, you'll be grateful. Love your parents, you don't be disrespectful. Yeah, when I was younger, I wish I could recycle in my neighborhood. Woo, aha. But it's alrighty, when I recycle, I feel real mighty. Turn off the lights and it'll be alrighty. And now, I'ma pass it to my man Ryan.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Gather round, boys and girls. This is the jam that'll rock your world. Knock out your socks, it'll even kill your chicken pox. The environment is our place to live. Make sure you clean it up like a baby's bib. I tell no fib, not cleaning up isn't unhealthy as not cleaning up. We want everyone to breathe clean air. I'm not talking about that atmosphere. It may be high like a baby's chair, but it can still be polluted anywhere. Signing off in a sec. Take out your pocketbook and write a check. It's not for the environment, so make it a lot, or the next trade shrunk could be on your block. Yeah. Time to pass it to my man, Nigel.
Bryce!
Sorry.
Hey, it's time for me to teach y'all some lessons. Hey, it's time for me to teach a lesson. Recycling is always a good impression. DJ Hamster on the ones and twos. If you help the environment, you won't lose. I'm in the direction, I won't steer. All about my green like John Deere. I unplug my TV when I'm done with it. I'm a big help, no midget. Always helping out, picking up litter. Help the world, man, don't be bitter. Say all my people can't be tripping. You gotta help the environment. Would you kill a kitten? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I didn't learn a lot today, but most importantly, I hope y'all learn to recycle.